Did you know the first 7 seconds of interaction is all you have to leave a lasting first impression? Solely based on these initial split seconds of contact, we are assessed by our appearance and the likability factor forms immediately. Hello everyone, my name is Konkana Bakshi. I'm the Principal Image Consultant and the founder of Savoir-Faire Academy, the luxury finishing school in Mumbai. In this video, I will share a few simple tips that you might find helpful for situations where your first impression is important, like interviews, presentations, networking events, or even public speaking platforms. A tailored jacket is the international professional garment. Choose fashionably current style, not high fashion or very casual. Every woman and men should own a business suit. It's not boring, it's safe and credible. Women in fact have the luxury to even choose colorful ones like burgundy, flame red or even pink or purple. There are 3 combinations of colors: low contrast, medium contrast and high contrast. Dressing in low contrast like ivory with beige or a light blue top with white trousers make a person look very approachable. But low contrast combination in well-cut and tailored clothing will enhance your credibility and authoritativeness in a formal environment. This look could be useful for a day presentation or a work meeting in the morning. If you have a very youthful personality, then you should avoid low contrast clothing for important or official matters like a job interview. Medium contrast is primarily approachable and friendly yet credible. However, a proper choice of attire which is well tailored would be more appropriate for a chic, sophisticated and high authority look. You could dress in medium contrast clothing like a well tailored ivory jacket with brown or olive pants or skirt. If you wish to go down the traditional route, you can opt for the same color combination for a presentation or a work meeting. You could also use medium contrast dressing for a first date. A well-placed scarf, in contrast to the shirt, renders an up-end authority. For Indian wear, opt for a high-contrast color combination like maroon and ivory or gold kurta and churidar, in fabric like silk. A Nehru jacket also looks very chic and sophisticated. The same contrast gives a low authority and decreased credibility when the tailoring is not well done. For example, if your sleeves are too loose or coming off your wrist, or your waistline is almost invisible through your attire, tailoring is the key to look polished. Fabrics such as textured knits, cotton prints, corduroy are low in credibility for formal environment. Opt for smooth wool, silk and refined fabric in solid colors. Avoid prints and patterns for a more sophisticated image. Casual cottons, creased clothing, alluring and very feminine style could be a credibility distractor for your office image. Jackets and well-fitted trousers in classic colors like black, navy and grey should be handy. Cotton is great for a formal white shirt, but at the same time fabrics like cotton and linen get creased very easily. And nothing looks less credible than an unironed outfit. Buying crease-free outfits could be a smart idea as they require less maintenance. Large-scale floral prints, stripes and patterns project low authority. Solid and small-scale prints are considered more credible. Opt for a subdued matte makeup look. A warm makeup look and a freshly blow-dried hair will update this look for a more credible image. Over-the-top hair, skin and eye makeup looks are meant for relatively occasional events. One must have well-groomed hands and nails. They should be well manicured and pedicured. Opting for French polish or nail color closer to the skin tone looks more sophisticated. Nail art, glitters, etc. is a complete credibility distractor and looks less sophisticated. Occasionally, red nail polish looks great provided your nails are short and well shaped. Please note, red nail polish is only for one evening or occasion, not an everyday wear. and looks faded within 24 hours. Keep your nails short and filed. Long nails don't look very well groomed or hygienic. You can opt for a transparent coat of polish if you don't wish to wear a color. Sandals that show toe cleavage or very high heels or block heels with open toe looks comparatively less credible and too alluring compared to high shine, closed toe, peep toe or a slingback. Refined jewelry like a simple pendant or a ear stud look classier compared to chunky and bold jewelry around your face. Simple, elegant diamond pendant and stud or a string of pearl will be eternally elegant and will never go out of fashion. You can wear them regularly for office, but if you are in the creative industry, by all means you could have more fun with your jewelry by opting for unconventional pieces. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for our next video where we will discuss the right shades for your face shape. Until then, stay tuned and stay glamorous.